How to fix Windows 11 blue screen error. Complete beginner guide. Seeing a blue screen error on Windows 11 can be scary, especially if your computer suddenly restarts and you lose your work. This error is commonly known as the blue screen of death, or BSOD.
In this video, I'll show you how to fix Windows 11 blue screen errors step by step using safe and simple methods. First, let's understand why blue screen errors happen.
In most cases, they are caused by outdated or incompatible drivers, corrupted system files, recent software installations, or hardware issues. The good news is that most blue screen problems can be fixed without reinstalling Windows.
The first thing you should do is restart your computer. Sometimes a temporary system glitch can cause a blue screen.
If the error happens only once, a simple restart may fix it. But if the blue screen keeps coming back, continue with the next steps. Next, update your drivers.
Outdated or faulty drivers are one of the most common causes of blue screen errors.
Right-click the Start button and open Device Manager. Look for any devices with a warning icon. Right-click on important components like display adapters, network adapters, and storage controllers. Then choose Update Driver.
Select Search automatically for drivers and let Windows install the latest version. Now, let's check for Windows updates.
Open Settings, go to Windows Update, and click Check for updates. Microsoft often releases fixes for system crashes and stability issues. Installing the latest updates can solve many blue screen problems.
Another important step is scanning and repairing system files. Corrupted system files can easily trigger blue screen errors.
To fix this, open the Start menu, search for Command Prompt, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. Type the command sfcscanner and press Enter. This scan may take several minutes. Once it's finished, restart your computer.
If the blue screen started after installing new software or drivers, consider uninstalling them.
Open Settings, go to Apps, and remove any recently installed programs that may be causing conflicts. You can also use System Restore to return Windows to a previous stable state if the issue continues.
Additionally, check your hardware. Faulty RAM or storage drives can cause repeated blue screen errors.
If you've recently added new hardware, try removing it and see if the problem goes away.
After following these steps, most Windows 11 blue screen errors should be resolved.
Keeping your system updated, using trusted software, and avoiding outdated drivers can help prevent blue screen issues in the future.
If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.